Hi, I'm Katrina Bacon and I'm the Head of Apprenticeships in Health, Social Care, Dental, Pharmacy and Science. Over this next few slides, I will be talking to you about all the different apprenticeships that we offer in those vocational areas. We are recognised as a high volume provider of social care apprenticeships. We currently work across Suffolk, Norfolk and Cambridgeshire. We work with large care providers and small independent care homes in offering the apprenticeships. Within social care apprenticeships, we offer from level 2 up to level 5. Level 2 and level 3 are generally support worker, personal assistant, day centre officer. Level 4 is generally team leader role, and level 5 is up to homes management. All of our apprenticeships are delivered in the workplaces. At the moment, we have changed all of our delivery to remote delivery. So you will have one-to-one support with your programme tutor who is allocated to you at the start of your learning journey and will work with you through your entire learning journey on your apprenticeship. They will also undertake observations as required during your apprenticeship. Social care is a vast vocational area. It can cover working with elderly care, learning disabilities, mental health, drug and alcohol abuse. It can be in the community, it might be in large care homes, small care homes, domiciliary, which is working with individuals in their own homes, community hubs, resource centres, and no day is ever the same. Social care really is a rewarding job role, and it's okay if you don't work in a particular area. It might not be your forte. For instance, elderly care might not be what really appeals to you, but actually you might really enjoy working with people with learning disabilities or mental health. The apprenticeships we offer in social care, as I said, level 2 up to level 5, really do open opportunities in different roles as can be identified here. And there is great career opportunities. With the level 2 apprenticeship in social care, this generally is about 15 months. For level 3, generally 18 months. Level 4, 18 to 21 months, and level 5 generally takes about 24 months. There is opportunities for all apprentices to achieve sooner. What you put in is what you get out. The dental nurse level 3 apprenticeship standard is a regulated apprenticeship, as on successful completion of the apprenticeship, all dental nurses are then required to register with the GDC, General Dental Council. For this apprenticeship, the apprentices are required to undertake some learning remotely and some learning is in college. The dental nurse role complements other roles within the dental professionals. Dental nurses, they may work in a variety of clinical environments ranging from general dental practices to the armed forces or to hospitals. Once qualified, dental nurses then can progress on to more specialist roles, including oral health educator and hygienist. We also offer health apprenticeships in all the health areas, starting at level 2, working through level 3 and up to level 5. We currently support a lot of apprentices in hospitals and GP practices, and we are working with many NHS trusts across Norfolk, Suffolk, Essex and Cambridgeshire. The level 2 apprenticeship takes 12 to 15 months. The level 3 is generally around 18 months to 24 months, and the level 5 is 24 months. All healthcare apprentices are delivered in the workplaces, and so as with social care apprentices, a programme tutor will be allocated to you to support you through your individual learning journey. Within the Senior Healthcare Support Worker Apprenticeship, which is level 3, there are 6 different pathways. We have adult nursing, mental health, maternity, theatre support, allied health and children and young people. The most popular one is adult nursing, but it really depends on which role and which area you work in within the hospital as to which specialism you will be. Within the apprenticeship, you will do all generic units to start with, and then you go into your specialism. Apprentices complete the level 3 senior healthcare support worker, and then they often then progress on either to the level 5 assistant practitioner, or many people will then progress onto higher education to start their nursing degrees, paramedic degrees. We also offer pharmacy apprenticeships. We currently offer pharmacy services assistant level 2, and from early next year we will also be offering the pharmacy technician level 3. For the pharmacy services assistant level 2, that is generally people who are working in dispensing pharmacies or GP surgeries. That course, apprentices have monthly study days which are delivered virtually. For the level 3 pharmacy technician, that is for pre-registered pharmacy technicians, and on successful completion of the apprenticeship, they are then required to register with the GPHC, the General Pharmaceutical Council. Most apprentices are employed in the pharmacies within hospitals, but we have apprentices that have come from community settings, whether that be GP surgeries with dispensing pharmacies or with community pharmacies. Their programme for the level 3 is for 2 years, and that requires weekly teaching session, and that will be done by blended delivery. So there will be some remote sessions, but there will also be some sessions where the apprentices will be required to come in and attend college. I'm really pleased to say we are the first training provider and college to be accredited with the Royal Society of Chemistry for our apprenticeship programme. We currently offer the lab technician apprenticeship standard at level 3 and also at level 4 with HNC. In the future, we are developing the technician scientist level 5 with a HND. We currently work with a lot of large employers who are very specialist in the work that they do, doing research and working across different institutes. We also work with smaller independent scientific employers, and they may be doing projects on sustainability. Some of the apprenticeships that come into the apprenticeship standards are quality analysts, and they may be working around pharmaceutical development, drug testing and medical diagnostics. As I said, we work with some specialist research industries, and they are working on very novel methods in developing vaccines. The scientific apprenticeship standard is for 2 years. The apprentices do have, again, a blended learning model where they will come in and have access to specialist teaching in our labs, and they also have some learning via remote sessions. The beauty of the working in the labs for the lab apprentices is that they can get to develop their skills and transfer those skills back into the workplace.